Hi, in this video I will show you how to use a smartphone like this one or an Android tablet as a monitor extension on your Windows PC system. So this is Windows 10 PC, and I will show you how to drop your documents to the extended monitor devices. So what I always do, I'm working here with my Word and I drop something else what I don't need to the extended monitor. Um, and sometimes if you have Outlook, for example, and in the background running, so you drop it to a small device. You need on your Android device, which you want to use as a monitor extension, you have to go to your Google Play, and there you take the Space Desk. Here it is, and then you're going to install it. In my case I've already installed it, and then when I open that stuff, then there comes a small information about the connection. But first you have to also install on your PC a software. So to get this connection, it runs over the IP address, and it doesn't need the cable, and it also runs without a cable, so via Wi-Fi local area. So what we have here in the Space Desk, that's the Space Desk application or website. And then you also go for the monitor itself. For the Windows system, you go to your to the website Space Desk, and there in the bottom you find a small driver there. That's the download. And then you go to the Windows application, Windows download, and then you will see a small MSI file. You're starting that, and once you have started it, the system will check. Once you have done that, you will see as soon as you run the software on your smartphone, you see the connection. When you click on that, then you see all that stuff. The Windows system acknowledges this new monitor, and now you go to your desktop of your system. Take this away. Then you go with a right mouse click on there and say display settings. And there you see now your monitors. You go to identify, no, not this one, identify, there's a 1, and there's the monitor 4. Identify 1, and this is 4. And as you see, the 4 is now there. I may drop it over here, something like there. And system will say, okay, now it's there, or here. Now it's in the middle of there. And what you also do, when you click on there, you see that that's the resolution. And if you take a small resolution, that's 9 full HD, for example, then you should also select increasing of the display resolution. So that's zoom for example 150, because you won't see this at this point. So that's only when you are on your monitor. Now where's my mouse again? Can't see it. Now come on. When we click on there, now I see the mouse. Now I am there, and as you see, I collect all that monitors from the left side to the right side, so the mouse goes steps through all those monitors. And as soon as you click on one device, you have the scaling and resolutions on that settings set up. So, and for small devices, you need a bigger you'd either take the resolution high and then also the zoom of the of text and so, because otherwise it's all only picked in a small size. So now what I do there, I always use it here with my Android tablet. It's a Samsung S4, and as you see there, this is my, when I identify it, you see that's the third one. And now I'm able to take some stuff here from when I'm working there. For example, here I use that device with my Chrome settings or Chrome application. This is running there, and I do my main work here on my table. So this is my main working place. So I'm doing some codings and so on here on that place. And otherwise, on the other side, I may drop something on there. So if I've placed it like this, then I may drop it on there. As you see, I drop it, and it's running. And I'll double click on there, and then it's maximizing. Now I also may disconnect that cable, and it still works. So I drop it here. You see, it's going to the main monitor. And also, if I skip it, then the size also skips on there when I turn it. So now coming back. Now it's coming back. I need it like this. And it doesn't need a cable connection. And now there's my Outlook, my coding side, and when you're also able to do, when you make here your settings, and when you go there to duplicate the site, then you may use it as a mouse pencil or stylus pencil. So I go there. Now I say, how do I want to use that? And you will see there are multiple devices. And there we see I may duplicate that, the main monitor to the second one. So when I do that, then I may use it as a mouse here, or let's do it. Let's try it in this case. Now, when I have it here, now this is terrible for that point, but when I do it for this for that point, now my fourth device, this one, now it's the problem when you duplicate it is that the resolution of both monitors has to be the same. So you see nothing here anymore. So we need full HD, and full HD, then it's okay. Otherwise, I can't show it best now. Now I take full HD here on both devices. And when I have it here as a full HD, for example, when I take now my here, there's my stylus or Windows Ink application. When I do a screen mirroring or a screenshot, now I'm able to use my stylus pen, and I may say, okay, here I may do some writings and say this is my stylus, and I may also say that I want to use it as a here as a new pet, and with this pet I may write something on there. That's a simple pet. Where is it? Now when I take it there, a new screen pad, and where's to that's here. I'm deleting everything, and I may say, now this is my new pen, and I say this is my desktop or app. I skip it again, and now the application is Space Desk, called Space Desk. Go on there, and what you also see there, it's like a Windows. It behaves like Windows itself, and I may do everything what I do here on the same point, and I may say this is my Space Desk. Why is it Space Desk? The app is called Space Desk. It's not the best way to write because it's should work, you see.